If you're considering Foxit and wondering whether it's the right choice for your PDF needs, there are a few important things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, I'll share the 7 things you should know about Foxit that might just change your mind or help you decide if it's the software you're looking for. Stick around till the end, and I'll tell you how to try it out completely free. First, Foxit stands out for its lightweight performance compared to competitors like Adobe Acrobat. While Adobe Acrobat can be bulky and slow at times, Foxit offers a much faster experience, especially when working with large PDF files. It's known for its fast load times and smooth navigation, which is a huge plus if you're looking for efficiency in your daily tasks. Next, let's talk about pricing. Foxit is more affordable than many other options out there, including Adobe Acrobat. While Adobe Acrobat Pro can get pricey with its subscription fees, Foxit offers a more budget-friendly solution with a one-time purchase or lower subscription plans. This makes Foxit a solid option if you're on a budget but still need professional-grade PDF editing features. The third thing to know is that Foxit offers powerful collaboration tools. If you're working with a team or need to share PDFs frequently, Foxit allows for real-time editing, annotation, and cloud storage options. While Adobe Acrobat offers similar tools, Foxit's features come at a fraction of the cost and with a much more streamlined user interface. The fourth thing is the customization options. Unlike some of its competitors, Foxit allows you to customize the toolbar to fit your needs, making it a more flexible solution for both beginners and power users. Whether you're looking for ease of use or more complex tools, you can adjust the settings to match your workflow. It's a feature that sets Foxit apart from other PDF tools that often feel rigid or overly complicated. Moving on, Foxit is packed with advanced security features. With options like password protection, encryption, and redaction, you can ensure your PDFs are secure and confidential. Compared to other PDF software options, Foxit's security features are robust, and they provide additional tools to ensure compliance with industry standards, something not all competitors can match. Next up is the OCR, Optical Character Recognition feature. Foxit excels here, as it allows you to convert scanned PDFs into editable text. This is a game changer if you often deal with scanned documents. While Adobe Acrobat offers OCR, Foxit's implementation is often faster and more accurate, making it a top choice for anyone who works with scanned PDFs frequently. The seventh thing to consider before buying Foxit is its integration with other software. Foxit integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office, cloud storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, and other business tools. This makes it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow, whether you're managing PDFs for personal or professional use. It's a feature that many PDF tools overlook, but Foxit has it built in to make your work easier and more efficient. If you're ready to give Foxit a try for yourself and see how it stacks up to other PDF software like Adobe Acrobat, you can check out the free trial by clicking the first link in the description below. This gives you access to all the powerful features mentioned in this video, and you'll also get some exclusive benefits when you sign up through that link. So, if you're looking for an affordable, fast, and feature-rich PDF solution, Foxit might just be the tool you've been searching for. Try it today using the link below.